Hey everyone, I wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to make a zine at home. This was an activity that we were going to do in Battle of the Books Club because in First Rule of Punk, Malú likes to make zines, and you can see a lot of her zine examples at different points of the chapters and parts of the book. A bit of happy mail that we received at Durant this past winter before things closed was a zine from Celia C. Pérez, the author of First Rule of Punk. And this was a zine that Celia created to promote her second book, which is Strange Birds. So it's really simple, just has a little bit of information about the girls and a little bit of information about First Rule of Punk and her website on the back. So I was thinking that this is a kind of a creative outlet that you could make a zine for your experience staying at home, doing some distance learning. And we are going to create one for sort of like a time capsule for our family. We created this one this past year before a vacation that our family took. So my son told me what he wanted to put in it, and I did my very simple illustrations because I'm not an artist. All you need to create a zine is a sheet of computer paper and a pair of scissors. If you want to get creative and fancy, you can use lots of different colored markers, colored pencils, crayons, that sort of thing. Stickers, absolutely. Some washi tape, other craft supplies, things like that. So to create your zine, fold your paper in half. Oh yeah, we do have some washi tape. I'm gonna have to put that in there. Fold it in half, hot dog style. Yeah. Then unfold it and fold it in half, hamburger style. All right, we got it. Unfold it, take the two sides and fold it in so that you have your sheet of paper folded into 8 rectangle spots. All right, so I folded it in. When I unfold it, I've got 8. All right. Fold it back in half, hamburger style. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to make one cut. You're going to cut until you get to this crease. Don't cut all the way, just to this crease. Is that Belle? We've got a sticker of Belle. Ooh, pretty. All right, so when you've done your crease, this is where it gets a little kind of tricky, and you might have to follow the instructions that I'll link here. But basically, you kind of want this star shape or plus shape. When you get that shape, you're going to refold it like this, so that some of the edges are your inside pages and some become the covers. And I know that doesn't make a lot of sense. And maybe you can kind of see how I'm folding over that plus sign. All right. This does not need to be super pretty because hopefully you have a lot of paper at home. So I don't really like the way that this one kind of extends over. I like this one better.
Well, let's put.
All right, so now we are ready to decorate, and we are probably going to have a discussion as we work on this about things that we've enjoyed doing during this time, things that we miss being able to do, and just to sort of just document what our family is experiencing and thinking during this coronavirus and stay-at-home situation. So I would love to see what zines you create. You do not have to make like a coronavirus themed zine. You could make it about anything that you've experienced lately or something that you enjoy. make a soccer zine, make a zine about Animal Crossing. I would love to see whatever it is you create. Take a picture of it and share it with me, okay?